있는 그런 행동인 겁니다.
In Britain, Western nations believe Russia did it. And the writer and star of the Broadway hit Hamilton says he has shingles.
Going like this and they start shooting the ball like they do, they're going to be unstoppable against a team the caliber of the Clippers for sure.
For the Jazz, the numbers just keep getting better. Better. That's 20.
And that's how he plays. He is so freed up when he's playing at this golf course that he just goes out there and looks more relaxed than anybody else on the golf course.
You know, we had Nota Begay on earlier, and he thinks Spieth at the end of today.
There. Not the healthy person finds out they get a terminal.
Of I-15, not the collector. If you're on the main flow of I-15 and you're going to take that split off to I-80 eastbound, you're going to have to move around the semi before you can have to switch back in the lanes. And again, no fire crews on the scene of this just yet, so it's just burning all by itself. I'm Andy Farnsworth in the KSL Traffic Center.
All right, national news now. Oklahoma teachers continue their walkout despite raises and more funding.
This morning, hit us up.
Been reported stolen. Hit and run last night around 9:30 near Walnut Avenue and 20th Street. You might not know it, but the drug of choice for many Colorado teenagers is cough syrup. According to KCMC TV, 1 in 30 teenagers surveyed admitted abusing products with DXM.
(800-348-21)
are called on account of air pollution in so.
I can never be loved.
我是主持人杨洋。我直播间的2位观察员是季松平和洪林，我们请2位跟全国的听众朋友打招呼。2位晚上好。
大家晚上好，我是季松平。
各位听众大家好。
首先呢，还是要感谢。
一家聚焦近10年，奥地利驻湖
ビルガスだけでなく世界の経済や貿易の正常な発展に衝撃を与えることになると強調しました。お聞きの放送
Keeping it local.
I'm Kelly Turner with these regional news headlines. It was only a Cortez High School did a lockdown drill on Thursday afternoon to test the response of staff, students, and emergency response personnel.
Battles and more.
Was an Arizona Ranger, wouldn't be too long in town. He came here to take an outlaw back alive or maybe dead, and he said it didn't matter, he was after Texas Red.